Let us think that we talk, especially in India, whole universe is my home. Okay, all right. It looks very nice, very good, but let us think, are we practicing this? Let us think that we are in India. Being in here, are we able to accept and understand various languages of different nations? Are we ready to accept them as we are speaking English and Hindi and other languages? Are we ready to give the same honor, respect to all languages, to all civilization, to all faith? It is difficult, but we talk about the whole universe is one home. We are talking about this earth alone one. There are many earths like this. Let us imagine that we are sitting on the moon, then on the Mars, somewhere else. Then what is civilization there? What we are going to do there? The whole universe is completely different. And how to practice this principle philosophy, that the whole universe is one home. Therefore, as we see the nails, we cut the nails and we throw it. We use the scrub in bath so that our hard skin should go out, dandruff should go out. All the time we are in process of elimination. If you practice Kriya Yoga sincerely, with all devotion, concentration on the tip of the nails of the toes, to all parts of head to toes, whatever you feel, each and every perception should be accepted. Presence of soul, capital S, presence of God, presence of spirit in visible form. As you practice more and more, then you will realize, by sitting in one place, living in one area, you will be able to accept all philosophy, all lifestyle of the world. Go to the South America, there 37 is a spoken language which is accepted, and there are 4 and 4, 8 are the indigenous languages. Such big diversity in South America. India, how many languages, how many kind of civilizations we have. We cannot say this is mine is greater, yours is not. If God has become all, then we have to understand why there are so many civilizations, so many varieties of lifestyle. Therefore, we Kriya Yoga meditator should reach to a position to accept, appreciate all. Appreciating all does not mean you have to follow something else. Suppose that somebody is alcoholic, is smoking, chewing tobacco. How to appreciate them? Try to understand cause. What is the cause of alcohol consumption? What is the cause of chewing tobacco? What is the cause of smoking? Moment you will know the cause, then you will never hate anyone. Therefore, in order to find out the true cause of each and everything, we have to take help of Kriya Yoga. Each and everywhere where different Kriyas are there, activities are there, starting from tip of the nails which we cut and throw, from there up to each and every point of head to toe, feel it more and more, never become hopeless that how long time it will take, forget the time, just practice and practice, practice and practice. One day you will realize, now you are in the position to accept all, but you will follow your things. As eyes are able to accept the whole body, but function of eyes is vision. Leg accepted the whole body, all function, but function of leg is to walk. In the same way, by accepting all, we are going to live our lifestyle. If a perfect lifestyle of Kriya Yoga meditation, then we will be in position to accept all. Otherwise, there will be ego clash. Therefore, it is our responsibility to spread this message that whole universe is one home through our action. Therefore, never feel strange. If you see anybody, different lifestyle, different food, different thing, never become strange. If you feel strange, then do not worry, practice more. When you see somebody is eating a live snake, somebody is eating a live cockroach, we get surprised how, no, just meditate more. Somebody is alcoholic and drank so much that having the vulgar language, do not worry, try to find out the cause. Moment to find out the cause, then realize, understand, we will never have any attachment, aversion towards anything. We will practice only this. All are manifestation of God. This is important point we should understand. Therefore, what is the conclusion? Start again, experiencing nails of the toes, then toes and feet, ankle joints, calf muscles, knee joint, thighs. Just keep on moving up to the head. You try to live in various nations, 3-4 years, we will not understand. All understanding will come by practicing Kriya Yoga sincerely wherever you are. This is the brief message for today.